These are unprecedented times for our country, and our aviation system, a critical part of America's infrastructure, is needed today more than ever. Even with a reduction of flights in our airspace, many of those that are flying are vital to the recovery of our nation. Typically, during emergencies like hurricanes or earthquakes, the FAA will establish an air bridge, a route to bring in supplies to help the civilian population. With today's national emergency, we're doing that on an even larger scale. The FAA is working with FEMA to operate air bridges that are essential in the fight against COVID-19. Project Airbridge expedites the movement of flights carrying personal protective equipment and other critical medical supplies. This reduces the time for supplies from the global market to reach medical distributors throughout the United States and ultimately into the hands of those with the most urgent need. The FAA remains in daily contact with passenger airlines, freight carriers, and military operations to ascertain what priority flights are in the system and ensure that these flights are not delayed in their missions. Already, hundreds of flights have landed, containing tons of critical personal protective equipment such as gloves, gowns, goggles, and masks, as well as medical supplies and ventilators. And many more flights are scheduled over the next several weeks. The air bridge to the front line is critical in the fight against COVID-19, and the FAA will continue to do what needs to be done to keep this air bridge open and deliver supplies to those who need them most during the COVID-19 public health emergency.